Parasitologi, Faculty of Fisheries and Marine, Airlangga University. Hello everyone, thank you for viewing our channel. So before I start explaining, did you know that the two genus of the nematode phylum are a type of parasite that is very detrimental to fish? Well, there are Spinitectus and Philonema. So here we will explain starting from classification, morphology, life cycle, host, and predilection. So stay tuned here. But before that, let us introduce the name of our group. And there is a name of our group. So number 1 is about Spinitectus. The Spinitectus is from class Choramodera, and the order is Rhabditida, and the family is Cystidicolidae. The image on the right shows the morphology of Spinitectus. So, Spinitectus is a species that has spines in the anterior third of its body. Spines transfer from the length of the cuticle and extend to the level of the transverse row of spines. The spines are quite separate, becoming a single structure indicating discontinuity. Spinitectus has 4 holes located under the spine. Spinitectus has 4 double papillae with 2 subfrontal and 2 subdorsal, and has a double porous armpit located above the lateral pseudolip. Armpit has a single pore and appears laterally but not on the pseudolips. And the next slide is about life cycle. First stage, larva has formed eggs within the insect midgut, penetrate the midgut wall, and enter the homocoel. Second stage, larva penetrate abdominal muscles 6 days post-infection, with the second mode occurring 8 days post-infection. Second and third stage larvae are encapsulated within the abdominal muscles. Development of the third stage larva continues, and it is not until 14 days post-infection that the third stage larva is infective to the definitive host. The third mode occurs 2 days post-infection of the definitive host, with W first stage female larva can be distinguished from first stage males in possessing a mucron. The final mode occurs 14 days post-infection of the definitive host. Aphigerius Spinitectus will recover 21 days post-infection. Last but not least about Spinitectus is host and predilection. Host Spinitectus is from freshwater like salamander, and marine freshwater like bonefish and algulathus. And the predilection is middle part of intestine. The second is about genus Philonema. Philonema is from class Saccharomyces, and the order is Camalanidae, and the family is Philometridae. The morphology. Philonema is a species that has a body fully formed, reddish with smooth cuticle, cephalic and rounded profidate with small, with inconspicuous papillae arranged in 2 rings, and the outer ring consisting of 8 papillae with forming 4 pairs. Inner ring formed by 4 single papillae. Small lateral bifid armpits present. Oral aperture circular, rather small. Oesophagus without anterior inflation, consisting of shorter and narrower anterior muscular part and much longer and wider posterior muscular glandular part, which appears to be darker. Oesophagus opening into the intestine through valve. Intestine-like colored relative with it is anterior end. style, conical, ending in subpolyp. The next is about the life cycle. The life cycle of Philonema was studied by infection Cycloticus pidatus, with larvae obtained from gravid female worms in spawning salmon, and by subsequent infection of hatchery-reared salmon fingerlings. Development to an effective third larva stage in the homotop of copepod was complete in 17 days at 12C and in 70 days at 8C. Third stage larvae were obtained from peritoneal tissues of fish and tunic adventitia of the swim bladder 4 to 10 days after infection. In naturally infected fish, fourth stage larvae were found in the peritoneal tissues when the fish were 26 months old. The next is about host and predilection of Philonema. Host Philonema is from 3 species of Anadromous Pacific salmon. The first is Oncorhynchus keta, Oncorhynchus kisset, and Oncorhynchus nerca. And the predilection is abdominal cavity. This is the reference we use to find the morphology, classification, life cycle, host, and the predilection of the genus Spinitectus and Philonema. Okay, we have finished discussing the 2 genus of Nematodon. Keep watching our channel for more explanation. See you and thank you. Bye.
Love you.